What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the Phoenix models Air Canada Cargo Boeing 767-300ER converted freighter in the sort of Air Canada, the Air Canada Rouge livery, as this was once an Air Canada Rouge passenger bird that's been converted to a freighter. So yeah. Let's get right on into it. Here's the box, very nice, the red and the white. Registration Charlie-Golf Hotel Lima Victor. And this has got the winglets. It's Phoenix models, there we go, limited edition. Yeah, just decided to get this one as it's another Canadian model to have in my collection. I doubt it's going to end up in LA. I mean, it hasn't yet, but maybe it will. But yeah, I'm excited to have this. It's Phoenix models. I know Phoenix models is kind of hit or miss with the quality of their models, but from, the 7.6s are usually alright. Looks pretty good so far. Let's get her out the packaging. Some good packaging at least, like it's nicely, looks like some nice foam and plastic there. So we'll just take this plastic piece off. Pop this out. Oh, that's sharp. Alright, very nice. Doesn't appear broken or anything, so that's always a good thing. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, so the one thing I've noticed, like Phoenix models, sometimes the quality of their printing is mediocre. So we'll take a look at this in detail and see if there's any issues, but from what I can tell, just looking at it, it seems pretty good. It looks pretty nice. I'm actually quite excited. Alright, so zooming in here. They've got the cockpit windows and everything looking very nice. The gear looking pretty good. And that L1 door. Got the maple leaf there, Air Canada Cargo titles. There's a cargo door that was put in there. It was converted, and you can see all the windows that are closed out, showing, signifying, it was a previous passenger aircraft. Got the antenna at the top there, antenna at the bottom, and another one little there underneath. Very nice. Engine's looking pretty good. Wings and the winglets looking nice. Not too bad. Moving along, the previous overwing exit doors and stuff from the passenger. It was a passenger aircraft, and just moving along. You have the registration in the back here. There's no Canadian flag, oddly enough. I don't think the real one has it. Either, but yeah, and then it just has 767-300ER underneath the registration. Bulk bin door right there, and the rear door with the tail, and the tail number 661, as Air Canada aircraft have that sort of tail number for their fleet. So yeah, not bad on this side. We'll take a look at it head on, looking pretty good. The copper windows, everything looks pretty good. The engines are good. There's no tilt or anything, and the wings are solid. Very nice. On this side, then we have the lower cargo deck. So we got the cargo door there, and at the back here as well. So yeah, it's nice to see these aircraft not gone completely. That they are converted to cargo, so they're still flying, which is nice. I did get to see this one in the passenger configuration, spotting at various places, and then I happened to catch it in Melbourne, I saw it in Melbourne after cargo conversion. But yeah, so that's really going to do it for this. This one looks very nice. We'll just take a look actually. Top down view, there's the overwing exit markings from, not really useful now, but, and then the bottom, very plain. But actually a pretty decent model from Phoenix. There's antennas and whatnot, and it's very nice. The details are good. I don't see any printing issues or anything, which is nice. That's always a good thing. So yeah, this is actually a pretty solid model. I'm very happy to have it. And for my Canadian collectors, I'm sure they're going to jump on this. Yeah, I'd say I'd highly recommend it. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this one. If you did enjoy, smash that like button and subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos as well as other content. And I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.